This is behind the grandstands, or at least one of the grandstands at the ring. Information Center straight ahead. Let's take a walk down, have a look. Just continuing on the other end of the hall here. And there's a simulator race room here. Pop in real quick. Have a look. Yeah, looks like a cafe. Yeah, let's continue on to the Welcome Center. Just outside here. Parking all over the place, but there is actually another parking garage, I believe, right under us here by the Welcome Center. Fan shop. We pop in here, and then we'll go to the Info Center. I think it's over there. All kinds of merchandise in here. Center. Where's the you know, actually I'm not sure where the Welcome Center is now. Let's have a look in here. Oh, looks like this might be a bit of a museum. Oh, look at this Commodore. Yeah, this looks like the museum. Okay, so it looks like I walked right by the Info Center. That's part of the problem when filming. Not concentrating on what times where I am. So yeah, it's just down one level here. Take a wander down the stairs and check out the Welcome Center. It's open from Monday to Sunday, 9 to 5. And it looks like I guess it's mostly just like an information center. Yep. And then this is outside the front door. we just were. The Welcome Center. And you can continue walking on further. I'm not sure what else is down there, but maybe I'll explore that some other time. And I think I'm probably going to wrap things up here, guys. If I do, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click on that subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.